Welcome to Boomi Services and Support YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the FHIR Client Connector. FHIR is the Fast Healthcare Interoperability Resources Client Connector, which allows you to interact with a server that implements the FHIR standard to securely create, retrieve, delete, and otherwise interact with sensitive healthcare data between different healthcare systems. The connector supports R3, R4, R5 FHIR standard. Let's jump onto the client connection. Here we need a connection URL in order to make a connection to the server. So here this is the public test server, which is FHIR public test server, and here R4, which is the metadata. And coming to the authentication types, we have none, basic, and OAuth. This is a public test server, so I am selecting none here. But if your test server has a username and password, you would need to choose basic. And if your server has OAuth authentication type, you would need to go to OAuth 2.0 connection tab, select a relevant grant type, client ID, client secret. Let's jump on back to the connection. Let's select none here as it's the public test server. Let me test the connection. I have my own local atom to test the connection. So once we hit next, the test connection would validate or perform a connection request to the FHIR server URL, which is the Firefly server slash metadata endpoint to validate the connection settings. Let me hit next here. The test connection ensures that the specified settings are correct, valid, and accessible. So now the test connection is successful. Hit finish, hit save. You can close this tab and you can go back to your build canvas and continue with your integration process. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Happy integrating.